sexual harassment.
Dear Mommy, thank you for your food, and the strawberries, and the blueberries, and the whipped cream, and my top dog glucosamine, glycinate, flexerina, and all the goodies, and all the drool. Porter. You need to look at Mama to say your prayers. Amen. Go ahead.